Please put your arm on the sea, and don't you know it's here? We are quite sure that it's the love for you. It's the love for you. Final facing Cameron Santi and Danny Cole.